Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the edit polyline command. So this command will join multiple line segments to create a polyline. It will also convert lines and arc into 2D polyline. So as we all know, a polyline is a complex cut entity, comprises of one or more lines or arc segments. And the 2D polyline is a plot with all vertices at the same elevation and can be made up of line and arc segments, each with optional widths assigned to segment, and it's treated as one object. So this command is located in the Modify panel. This is the icon for the Edit Polyline. We can also type in our command line key edit. So first, we are going to convert a multiple line segment into a polyline. So we'll create a line. So first, let's say we have a multiple line, a closed multiple line. So if we're going to check the properties of our line, we'll select this by using a cross window selection, and then we'll type properties, enter. So as you can see, the properties is line. So now we are going to convert this into a polyline. So we'll select the polyline, edit polyline in the modify panel, and then it says here select polyline. So since we have multiple line segment, we'll select the multiple and we'll make a cross window selection, select, and then press enter. And now it says convert lines, arc, and spline to polyline. So we'll accept the Y for yes, enter, and last I'm going to select the option join. And then for the pass distance, we'll accept the 0, enter, and press enter again. So now if we select our multiple line segment, this will now become a polyline, closed polyline. So next, let's do again multiple line. So let's say like this. Okay, so this is now a multiple line segment, and we're going to convert it to a polyline. So we'll use the PEDIT command, and then we'll select the multiple. We'll make a cross window selection. Okay, select, press enter, and then press enter for yes, and we'll choose the join option, and then the distance 0, enter, and enter. So we're going to select now this object. These are now a polyline, an open polyline. So this is how to convert a multiple line segment into a polyline. So we can also use polyline edit to join two lines. So let's say we have one line, and then we have another line. So these are two lines, and we're going to join this to create one polyline. So we'll select the polyline edit. We'll select multiple line. We'll make a cross window. Okay. Enter. Select yes. Enter. And join. Then enter. Enter. So these are now become a single polyline. The two lines are now a single polyline. If we look into our properties, this is now a polyline. So next, we are going to convert lines and arc into a 2D polyline. We'll create a line. We're going to select this and we'll check in our properties. It says there, line. Okay, so we'll select the edit polyline command. And then it says here, select polyline. So we'll select this line. And then it says here, do you want to turn it into one? We'll accept the yes because the 2D polyline is treated as one object. So press enter. And then here, we'll select the fit option. So we're going to select this one. This is now a 2D polyline. Wherein if we're going to hover the middle vertex, or we can convert it to arc. This is the characteristic of a polyline. So this is now a 2D polyline, as we can see in our properties. So next, we are going to create an arc. So we select the arc command, and then first point, and then type C for center. This is our center, and we'll select and hold the control key to change the direction of the arc. So now we are going to convert this into a 2D polyline. So we'll type the PEDIT command, enter, and then select the polyline. We'll select the arc. Do you want to turn into one? We'll select yes, enter, and we'll choose the option of fit. So we're going to select this arc and we'll check into our properties. This is now a 2D polyline, wherein if we're going to hover into this middle vertex, we can convert it into line. Okay, so I will undo. So now this arc is now a 2D polyline. So this is how to convert lines and arc into 2D polyline. So next, let's say we want to convert a spline to a 2D polyline. So we'll draw a spline. Okay, we'll create a spline. So we're going to select this. We can see in our properties, this is a spline. So we'll select the edit polyline, and then we'll select this spline. It says here, do you want to turn it into one? Press enter for yes, and then specify a position. We'll type 0, and then here we're going to turn it back into spline. We'll choose the option spline. Okay. So now if we see, this is now a 2D polyline. Again, we'll create another example, spline command, and then we'll type the PEDIT, select the polyline, and then enter for yes, and then for the precision we'll type 10, enter, choose this spline. Okay, so we're going to select this one. This is now a 2D polyline with the precision of 10. So this is how to use the edit polyline or the PEDIT command to convert lines, arc, and spline into 2D polyline. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive the latest video from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.